Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to SOFTECH. In this session, we're going to discuss about the concept of how do we create a SAP Gateway project. In this session, I'm going to just tell you how to log in into there and get there from the SAP S4HANA GUI. So now let's get started. Now here we are going to have this so if at all, let's have an assumption that you are a solution architect or a developer in the company. You want to examine an SAP gateway project in the SAP gateway service builder, an SAP gateway service in the SAP gateway service maintenance as well, and the result of calling an SAP gateway service in the SAP gateway client. So to learn this is what we're going to see now. So we're going to go ahead and log in into the SAP GUI. This is the SAP GUI screen that we all know, and I'm just double clicking on this GUI link, and then after logging in, we'll be having this option here, and I'll be giving the username and password. So the username and password that I have here is something which will be provided to you. So that is something which we have to give here. And once you see this and okay, you have to give this. We'll go ahead and use the transaction code called SEGW, and from here we'll take it forward, and once we type SEGW and get into the transaction code, we'll reach here, and here we have to click on the folder which is like choose open folder, open project, and then we have got this project here. And so we are entering a project called GW100 underscore T underscore basic GW. That's a project that we want to do that, and then we have got this project, and then we'll click on execute. So there's an existing project. So we just have the data model here. So when you open the data model and open entity types, and then we have the product and properties. So we get this properties here. Now you can now examine the details here. And so you successfully now got into the SAP Gateway project in the SAP Gateway Service Builder. From here, our actual project starts, and we're going to discuss about this project in the coming sessions. And if you're looking out for any kind of SAP trainings, you can please contact us at our email ID jhsinfotech@gmail.com or jhsinfotech.in is our website. And yeah, happy learning, and see you in the next session.